Hi. The best walk behind lawn mower do not have to be the most expensive tool. This model attaining high performance and great results. And available on the market at very reasonable and cheap prices. First, let's see the features of this great product.
At the leading edge of innovation, introducing the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 compact mower, powered by the 20-volt max interchangeable lithium-ion battery system. The 3-in-1 with its revolutionary deck design quickly and easily converts from a mower to a trimmer, featuring a power drive transmission for getting those trimming and edging jobs done fast. The complete solution for smaller lawns. BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 compact mower.
And these are our editor ratings for this product.